First up, you've got a dedicated mobile application. That's acting as the master key to let users in. Then they're bringing in digital rewards to algorithmically incentivize saving and wealth accumulation. Next, blockchain-backed payment connectivity to ensure swift, totally frictionless transactions without the usual greedy middlemen. And finally, the big one, global remittances. This is a massive potential impact area, allowing money to cross borders seamlessly and cheaply. These are the highly specialized tools Univex plans to utilize to break through that financial divide once and for all. That is an ambitious objective. The source material itself actually pauses right there to acknowledge the sheer dizzying scale of this undertaking. I mean, we're not talking about a minor software patch here. It is an attempt at a literal global paradigm shift. But, as we know from every great movie, a massive utopian dream is always met by an equally massive, terrifying set of looming challenges. The pristine, perfect conceptual phase of the white paper is officially over. Now, we have to look at the cold, hard reality of pulling this off. And this brilliantly illustrates a true tale of two realities. Side A, the vision. It's everything we've just been talking about, safely contained within the perfect, unblemished pages of the white paper. But then you flip it over to side B, the implementation, the actual measurable results. This is where those theoretical promises are thrown straight into the fire of demanding real-world execution. The vision is absolutely flawless on paper, but reality, especially financial reality, yeah, it is notoriously messy and unforgiving. So the crucial question is, how do we actually measure if they can survive the real world? Well, according to the white paper analysis, there are exactly 6 critical pieces of evidence we need to properly assess if this platform is going to make it. 6 distinct, highly dangerous hurdles standing right between the Univex blueprint and a successful global rollout. It's a ticking clock, and if even one of these fails, the entire mission could be compromised. Let's walk through this escalating gauntlet of hurdles. First, user access. Can the target audience actually even get onto the platform? Second, fees. Will hidden costs just bleed the very users they're trying to save? Third, geographic availability. Are international borders and local regulations just going to lock them out entirely? Fourth and fifth, these are the real heavy hitters: strict compliance and unyielding security. Guys, a single regulatory crackdown or one devastating data breach could literally end this story immediately. And finally, the ultimate 6th test: actual financial outcomes. When the dust finally settles, does it actually generate wealth, or is it just going to be another app sitting on a phone? Which brings us to our final scene. Will Univex successfully bridge the digital wealth divide using its mobile app and global remittance network to truly empower the underbanked? Or will this incredible cinematic vision inevitably fall to the harsh, unforgiving reality of implementation, compliance, and massive security risks? The white paper has beautifully set the stage, but only the real-world evidence will actually write the ending. What you should really take away from this explainer is that in the high-stakes world of digital finance, the pitch is only the beginning of the movie. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll leave you to ponder this. When the final credits finally roll on Univex, will it be a massive global triumph or just another cautionary tale?